fact, everyone needs to see this story. It focuses on social media and the role it plays in helping kids get their hands on dangerous drugs.
It's something every parent is concerned about. KSHB 41 I-Team reporter Cameron Taylor continues his investigation into the fentanyl crisis. He's revealing the online tools that drug dealers use to target your kids.
The drug dealers are in your homes. They're on the kids' phones, and those drugs can be delivered to your front door if they ask for it.
Libby Davis and her husband Randy know all too well how dangerous drugs can change a family's life.
Every day is a different challenge. Some days you have great days, some days you have really bad days.
Their 16-year-old son Cooper died from a fentanyl overdose after taking half of what he thought was a Percocet pill, a pill his mom says he bought from a dealer on Snapchat. She and her husband remembered the call from Shawnee police saying their son was having a medical emergency. That happened nearly 6 months ago.
Sadly, we have now been introduced to a world of parents who have lost children to fentanyl pills.
In December, the DEA administrator held a news conference about the battle against fake prescription pills. The agency says they're coming from Mexico, and they're not hard to get.
What is equally troubling is that the cartels have harnessed the perfect drug delivery tool: social media.
With social media apps like Snapchat and Instagram, the DEA says anyone who has a smartphone has access to a drug dealer, and that easy access frightens agents like Regina Patterson King.
And with them targeting our youth, the way they're being targeted, I just want to scream sometimes because it's very frustrating.
There's an entire language drug dealers use on their phones to target kids. They sometimes use emojis, those characters that are often used in text messages. Now let me pop up my screen for you. The DEA says these 4 emojis are code for Percocet and oxycodone, 2 prescription drugs known to be made into counterfeit pills and laced with fentanyl.
It's potentially deadly.
To combat this issue, the DEA says it works with social media companies to make them aware of these emojis. The KSHB 41 I-Team contacted Snap Inc., who owns Snapchat. In response to Cooper's case, the company told us, quote, "We use cutting-edge technology, including machine learning tools, to proactively detect and remove drug-related content on Snapchat. We also use third-party detection tools to scan other platforms where drug dealers may be trying to contact Snapchatters." In January, Snap Inc. told us it added new CDC resources and partnerships with 2 anti-drug organizations. It's to educate and warn about the dangers of fentanyl. The company says its detection rates of drug-related content have doubled since October, and 88% of that content on its platform is now discovered by its artificial intelligence technology. Meta, who owns Instagram and Facebook, says it's against their policies to buy, sell, or trade non-medical or pharmaceutical drugs. When people search for drug content, Meta says they're taken to the Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration National Helpline.
It hit really close to home this time, but we couldn't be silent, and we needed to use Cooper's story as quickly as we could to have the most impact, especially on our community.
Since Cooper's death, his parents have worked with the DEA to educate students and parents about the dangers of drugs. Their campaign is called Keepin' Clean for Coop. So far, they've spoken with 2 high schools in the DeSoto school system and hope to expand it to the entire district.
Our mission is to raise awareness. We want everyone to understand how dangerous it is and what a risk it is if you take a pill that wasn't prescribed by your doctor.
Bottom line, the DEA says parents need to talk with their kids about the drugs that are out there and the dangers they pose. For the KSHB 41 I-Team, I'm Cameron Taylor.